Hello and welcome to A to Z. Today we'll be seeing how to install the Java programming language and to run a simple Java code on VS Code. So first of all, we will go to our browser to install the Java language. We will type Java Oracle and we will select the first link from here. We will select download Java and from there we will see different operating systems. We will select Windows since we are using Windows 11 and I will click on the link for the Java installer exe file and this will start the download for the Java file. So once the Java exe file has been downloaded, select the file and go to the folders where it is downloaded and click on it to begin the installation. Click yes, it is preparing to install. Next, it is showing the installation path. Leave it as it is. Next and close. Now we will go to our PC and go to the C drive and program files. Then we will look for the Java folder. Here it is. Double click on it. Click the GTK file bin and copy the path from here for this bin file. And now go to the search bar and click for the or type for the environment variable and you will see the system properties and from here you will see the environment variables. Click on it and at the lower side you will see the system variables and the path and here is the path. Double click on the path, click new and paste the copied path from the bin of the Java file and click OK and OK. Now we'll see if our Java has been successfully installed or not from the command prompt. Go to the command prompt and type Java space dash dash version and press enter. So we can see that we have successfully installed Java 26.0.1 in this state. So now we will install the VS Code in order to run the Java in the VS Code. So we will go to the browser again and type for VS Code download and we'll select this one. We will click the first link and here we can see the different operating systems for the VS Code. We will select the Windows option and this will start our downloader for the VS Code. We can see that the VS Code setup file is downloading. So our setup file for the VS Code has been downloaded. Open it and we can see the VS Code setup file. Double click on it and check the I accept the agreement. Click next. Leave the path as it is. Next. Next. And I want a desktop icon for the VS Code. So I'll select this one. If you don't need it, leave it blank. Next. Install. It will take a few seconds to get installed. So the VS Code has been successfully installed. Click on finish and we should see the desktop icon in the home page. So here it is, the Visual Studio Code icon. So in step 3 we'll be connecting Java on VS Code. So to do that we'll go to our browser again and search for Java on VS Code and we'll press enter and we'll select the first link from here and we will go below. We can see install Visual Studio Code for Java and we can also see the install the coding pack for Java Windows. We'll click on it and this will download the necessary packages to link a VS Code to the Java. So our Java coding pack exe for VS Code has been downloaded. We will click on it, and we can see you have to check the I accept the agreement, then next. We will click on next again. We will click install, and it is setting up our VS Code for Java programming language. So our setup is finished. We will click on finish, and this will automatically start the VS Code. Now what we will do, we will create a file for the Java. We will go to the Explorer, then open folder, and we'll go to the downloads where I have a folder dedicated to Java code. I will select it and select folder, and this folder directory will be included in the VS Code. And from here I will create a new file and give the name of the file project.java. .java will stand for the Java extension of the file, and press enter, and this will create a Java file. And we can also see, do you want to install the recommended extension pack for Java from the Microsoft for the Java language? We will click on install. So it has been installed, and we will click the accept from here, and this may take a few seconds based on your internet connection. We will also install the code runner. We will search for the code runner from the from the extensions code runner, and this will allow us to run any programming languages smoothly from the VS Code. We will also click it to install, and it is installed. Now we'll go back to our project Java and write a simple Java programming code. So here is our simple Java program, and after writing the program, we have to save the program from the files and save it, and then we can run it. We can run it from the right click and run code, and this option is available because we have installed the code runner. Otherwise we won't have it. We can run it from here, like by clicking run code. We can see that our code has run and it is saying hello Java world. We can also run it from the terminal, new terminal, and from here we have to type java c project dot java, enter, and then we have to write the Java project file name and enter, and we can see the text we have written in the program, hello Java world again. Now let us explain the code. The class stands for the object, and every Java program starts with the class object, and the class name has to be the same as the file name. We can see our file name is also project and the class name is a project, and the public is the modifier, and the main method is the main. We can also see the arrays as args, and this line of code is printing out our string hello Java world. So this is how we can install the Java and run Java codes in the VS Code. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.